gonna put something in the Tesla that we need badly. Arcoche. Now I've got a discount code for this stuff, but this is a sunshade. So yeah, in Australia we're roasting at the moment. I got hair. If you're bald, you'd really suffer. So let's open it up and get ready to install. So what do we get here? You get a pull-out sunshade. Now that is like the beach kind of tent style. So you make a butterfly and twist it together, and then we give it a shake. Bloop. And there we go. We got a big sunshade. So that is in the carry bag. There's a few other bits. Where are we here? Now we've got some instructions on their website, but that's all right. We'll make our own instructions. Now we have a darker piece as well for the Model Y. What else is in the bag? Aha, here we have some clips, some other type of clips or something, and little corner pieces. So let's get installing. So it looks like it's pretty easy install. So these clips are here, and apparently they just sit. Yeah, they just slide into there, and then we'll clip into it. So we got a couple here. We'll put them out. I got a few. We'll space them evenly around, and then we'll try fitting the sunshade. So yeah, you can see. I mean, it's 6 o'clock at night. Obviously, the sun is still up, and a crunchy little bag here. Put these around, but with the full glass roof, you really get hot in this car. So nice little simple. See, you see the clip design? It's simple, it just sits under there. Okay, we'll continue our way around the roof, and we'll have a look and see what it looks like once we get all these clips on. Okay, so check it out. Hard to see on camera, but one end, the end with the Model Y, is a bit wider because, of course, the roof is a bit wider up the front on a Model Y. Now it also comes with, pretty cool, if you want more sun coverage than just the screen, a full like reflective blanket. So we'll get that on there, and it just kind of bungees on. I'll show you in a sec. So I thought it held in place with little like elastics, because that's what their other one does for the Model 3, but no, it's got like Velcro-y that's not Velcro. So we'll just line it up nice and even around the whole thing. So we'll just go around the edge. And again, one end's a bit wider than the other. And we'll go around and stick it down. Now all those wrinkles, they should come out. They'll be coming out in the heat anyway. Get it around, there we go. Get it all secured. So it goes in nice and easy. Okay, now we're gonna get some clips. So we gotta get these evenly distributed around the place. So you see there, these kind of these silver sides gonna be out, so it's gonna go like that. We just need to clip them on. So we'll get the clip flat side up, silver side up, and just clip it on the edge. Here we go. So we just got to go around and put them on like that, and we'll go evenly around. I think we got 6 or 8 of them, but we'll just go around the edge and clip them all in position. Okay, it came with 8 clips, so I put 1 on the front, 1 on the rear, and 3 on each side. So we'll see how it goes. If I need to move them around, I'll mention it in the video, but as far as I can see, that'll be the way it goes. Now we're gonna empty. Well, no, we've got lots of stuff in here, working car. We're gonna slide it through the back. That's gonna be the easiest way. I've always done headliners that way, and try to get it in position. So I've just got it in there with the seats up, so I can get inside now. And I think I'll start in the back, and we're gonna get up right up to the glass, yeah, like that. And we're gonna slide. That's it. See, it just slides underneath. It doesn't really clip into anything. It slides under that middle one. There we go. This is a pretty good fit, I must say. Okay, that's one side on. Okay, we're gonna go hop over to the other side now and do that one. Actually, while we're here, let's do the back one. So put one in the middle in the back. Feel it. Where'd it go? Oh, I think it just popped off when I put it in. Moving it in. All right, it's in the mess of this trunk, so I'll find it and we'll put it back in position. Look at that. That's great fitment. Okay, now we got one more to do. The very front one. I'm just gonna put that up there. I probably don't. Look at that. That is turned it into very, very tin top, very coupe-like. That's nice. A little bit of sag in the middle, kind of as you'd expect, but definitely not a, yeah, that's gonna be an awesome improvement over temperature, especially with the reflective layer. So, Arcoche, I'll put a link in the description, and said they've been offered 20% off with the code. So I'll put the code on the screen here. It's Eddie20, and you can get 20% off yours. Now, they're cheap and they're easy, and I found shipping to be pretty quick too. Now, I'll have a quick look from the outside, and what the heck, you see the roof racks there? Yeah, it just looks black, but that should be awesome help for the scorching sun. Definitely keep it off our poor old Australian heads. Now, there are some other little bits. There's some corner window pieces, so I don't know if I'm going to run them, but let's they're here labeled Model Y. Let's put them in and see how they fit. I think they just fit in with tension, so we can look at the curve will be at the bottom, and they just push in it. They just push in there and then hold in there. Not bad. Look, you know what? We got them. We might as well run them. Cool. So you got little corner window shades too. So we'll put the other side in. But yeah, it's not bad. You can still see through it pretty well, so it's not really a blind spot issue. Not that you have blind spots with this anyway because of the cameras. But there we go. I'll put this one in. Cool. I think you use those stickers if you wanted to stick those on, but they kind of lock into place. They kind of push into the edging of the trim of the car, so that's pretty good. Cool. Yeah. All right, man. Well, there you go. We're doing more and more Tesla stuff, so like and subscribe if you want to see some more. We're doing a bit more lifestyle stuff too, but best thing is I'm getting discounts for people. So yeah, 20% off. Said I don't get paid for that. There's no commission on my part or anything. But yeah, so if you look in the back, look at that. Perfect for us here in Australia. So yeah, anywhere warm, if you're in Arizona, anything like that, beat the heat, you can get one of these, and 20% off coupon. Gotta love that. Now, something pretty cool I picked up from these guys as well, because you can see all the board shorts and stuff in my car and kit seats. It gets a bit smelly in here. This, which is the Tesla air freshener. So that's just a little stick. I've been putting mine just here, but it's meant to fit up here and fits kind of into the vent slot. Pretty neat. It smells okay. Smells like a nice, fresh, clean soap. Now, something more important to my life, and that's when we're in the water all the time, this has been awesome. This is a key holder that they've done, because when you go surfing, you want to take a key, and you don't want to drill your key out. So it's a little rubber pouch. Put it, I've got a shoestring around my neck that used to have my other key, and it sometimes has some house key. But that just goes in there nice and easy. And it also comes with the box. Comes with a nice leather key ring, is like another kind of carabiner style ring as well. So you can do the belt clip if you need to. But now, for what we need for our life is, yeah, just put a little rope through there and take it out for a surf, or it's great. So yeah, if you any sports like that, you can take it with you. Okay, it's the next day. It is fully sunny out. Look at that. Okay, and inside, yeah, we're not getting any light through it. Now, sitting overnight, you can see how it's maybe you can't see how you can see how it's sagged a bit. Now we're going to put on the magnet. So You got a magnet that's going to sit on the glass, and then a little metal disc. And we're just going to work out where the best place for that to go is. Now I've got my measuring tape just to get it centered. You look at it, they're right about here. It looks like the most effective place to put the magnet, and we want to line it up. Now you could probably eyeball it, but let's just measure. All right, so we're going to go with that crease line there and pull out the tape and measure across and see what the total length is. Length across there was 104 centimeters, so at 52 we will put the sticky thing on. So to do that, we're just going to pop the back section off. We'll just pull that clip and then the two side clips, and then we'll be able to reach up and stick it on at that 52 centimeter mark. There you go. You can see what it looks like there. Yeah, it's just got a little double-sided little rubbery sticker. Goes on nicely, and then we'll put the roof shade back in. All the, once you pull it down, the clip's kind of popped, but we'll have to just lightly reinstall, and then we'll get that magnet on the other side and see how much it pulls it up to the top. Well, I just peeled the little blue backing off now. I think that is a sticker on that side, but obviously you don't need to stick it on, and I don't think it will, but find it, there it is. Put it in position. Ooh, shiny. Don't really know if I like the shininess. I might just paint that black, but for now that's good, and that really takes a lot of that sag out. So it's not going to reduce it all, but definitely, I've already got some dirt on there from my hands. Definitely takes up a lot of that droop because that's the lowest point. So yeah, all in all, look, good fitment, and you see there's no light coming through there whatsoever. So we'll try it like this, see how it goes. Might just remove that other full blocker, but I don't know, it's summer here in Australia, so we're absolutely frying in the sun. So maybe it's good just for this time of year, but in winter maybe we'll take it off just so we can get some light through it, but not have the full blasting sun. All in all, yeah, good. With Arcoche, the stuff is pretty good. This seems to be the fit. I just undone all these clips again, went back on, nothing broken, so the quality seems pretty good. Yeah, I'd say this is definitely one of those Tesla accessories you want to get.